from Loving Plants. I got some plant mail from Planterina.com. I'm excited to show you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I actually have ordered from Planterina.com before, and this is before I had my channel, and I love Planterina.com, and I haven't ordered anything because I wanted to wait until I could actually find something on there that I was obsessed with. And sure enough, I got in on their big plant sale. Guys, definitely sign up. They send you a ton of discount codes, and I got 30% off this Calathea rhubarba. And I have a little one actually behind me, but this is the big boy, the XL, and I got it, I think, for $68 shipped, so I'm gonna show it to you as we speak. Here we go. This is a big box. I have actually never ordered this size. Usually the boxes are very tiny that come from Planterina because I get the small plants. Wow. Wow, look in there already. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think probably the best way to do this is, oh my gosh, look how big. Wow, they are not joking. This is the extra large. Let's see. Oh my. Oh, I guess the soil kind of went everywhere, but oh my gosh. Sorry if that sound is very, oh wow. That sound was probably annoying for you guys. I don't even know. There's some, I'm very confused here. You can see that there's some like nest material. I guess that's how they ship these big plants. Like I said, this is my first big plant experience from them. Take this out. Wow. We have soil kind of going everywhere. Wow. Wow. Okay. Look at this beauty. All right, so the Calathea rhubarba has super fuzzy, soft leaves, and to get them in this size is unheard of. In fact, in our area, so we're in southern New Jersey, I have not seen, barely seen this plant, and then to get it in this size. So normally, just so you guys know, this would have been $98 shipped, and like I said, I got the discount, so it ended up being $68 total. And we're gonna put this on my fireplace and see what she looks like. So I think it looks really cute on my fireplace. This actual setup has its light coming from a northeast facing window. So because this is a Calathea, it doesn't need the brightest sun. And actually, this area doesn't get a lot of sun. So I think this is going to be the perfect setup. And of course, we had to put my yoga cat that my daughter got me one Christmas in front. Now it has the Zen feel to it. And overall, I have always had a great experience with Planterina. I would give them probably 5 stars, you know, out of 5 stars, because all of their plants look healthy, and this mature plant is definitely something to look out for. Look for the big plant sales. Like I said, guys, 30% off on Planterina.com. And I think you're not gonna be upset with the plants you get from her. So thanks so much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.